this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a chat flow for new leads in Sales Captain. Let's dive in. Let's build this together. Head over to your chat flows page under Captain Labs and click Create New Chat Flow to get started. Give your flow a name like New Lead Capture Flow. Select SMS as your channel type and assign a phone number, though you could also choose web chat or a social media channel if you prefer. Now in the Flow Builder, drag and drop an AI classifier node onto the canvas, and in the pop-up, configure your first category by selecting Spam from the predefined options. This lets the AI automatically detect and sort out any junk messages. For the second route, enter the label Other with a short prompt like All other incoming messages which are not spam. Then click Add. Now close the pop-up and you'll see your two routes, Spam and Other, branching out from the classifier. Under the Spam route, we're leaving it completely empty. With no action or element attached, the flow simply stops here, so spam messages go nowhere. Under the Other route, drag and drop a Send SMS node and type in your welcome greeting. Hi there, thanks for reaching out. What can I help you with? Next, drag in a delay flow control element. Click to edit it and set the wait time to 1 day. This gives your new lead some breathing room before the next touchpoint. Now drag and drop a check user reply action and set it to 1 day. If the lead has responded, the flow stops automatically. But if they haven't, it keeps moving forward. Drag in another Send SMS node and add a friendly follow-up like, Hi, a contact name, just circling back. I'd love to help. Add another delay step and set this one to 2 days. Then drag in one more check user reply action, also set to 2 days. Same logic if they've replied, the flow pauses, if not it continues. Finally, drag in one last Send SMS node with a closing message like, Hi, a contact name, just following up one last time. If you're still interested in our service, let me know. Feel free to text back whenever the timing is better for you. Hit save in the top corner, then navigate back to your chat flows page. And there it is, your new lead capture flow is live and ready to go. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.